morning, dear student. Today we perform sixth experiment, which is estimation of total amount of chloride ion present in a water sample using a standard solution of silver nitrate and potassium chromate as a indicator. Now, in this experiment, we require standard silver nitrate solution with strength is 0.01 normal, potassium chromate indicator, sample water. Sample water means chloride ion containing water. Okay. One thing, very important. Before you watching the video, you must read the procedure, theory, each and everything carefully. After that, you see the video. Okay? Now we fill the burette with standard silver nitrate solution. Take a little bit of silver nitrate here. Now see how you fill the burette. First, you take burette in inclined position, not straight, inclined position. Then you fill the burette slowly. Slowly, why? Otherwise, bubbles form. See. Now we set the burette in 0, 1. Now we clamp the burette stand. Okay. Now we take 25 ml of sample water in a 250 ml conical flask. See. Okay. Okay. Then we add 2 to 3 drops of potassium chromate indicator. 3. And we titrate this solution by standard silver nitrate solution. See whatever. You add silver nitrate solution dropwise. See, our endpoint color is reddish brown. When solution becomes reddish brown, that means our titration over. See, reddish brown color slowly comes. Okay. See, reddish brown color comes. Our first set is complete. In this way, we take 3 sets. First set complete. Now you see the burette reading. See 3.1. Initial is 0 and final is 3.1. Now you see the table. This is our first observation. Volume of sample, we take 25 ml. Initial burette reading 0. Final burette reading 3.1. Difference 3.1. Okay. Now we start our second observation. At first, you clean the conical flux properly. Okay. Again, we take 25 ml sample water in a 250 ml conical flux. Now we take 2 to 3 drops potassium chromate indicator. And titrate this solution by silver nitrate solution. See, in our second reading, initial burette reading is 3.1. Okay? Initial burette reading 3.1. Okay. See, reddish brown PPT comes. That means our second observation is over. Now, see the final burette reading. See here, final burette reading is 6.1. 6.1. Okay. In our second observation, we take volume of sample 25 ml, initial burette reading 3.1, final burette reading 6.1, difference is 3.0. The volume of titer used means difference 3.1 and 3.0. Okay, now we start third observation. First, we pipetting 25 ml sample water. Now we take again 2 to 3 drops silver nitrate. Sorry, not silver nitrate, potassium chromate indicator. Okay. See, in our third observation, initial burette reading is 6.1. Okay. See, reddish brown color comes. And see, the final burette reading is 9.1. Okay. Now, in our third observation, volume of sample 25 ml, initial burette reading 6.1, final burette reading 9.1. That means difference is 3.0. Volume of type use 3.0. Now, here we write mean volume of these three observations. Actually, we take concordant value. Concordant value means here first reading 3.1, second is 3.0, third is 3.0. Here two readings are same. That's why we take concordance of these three reading. That means concordant value is 3.0. With this reading, you can easily calculate the how much amount of chloride present in your sample. In your manual, everything is here. Just you calculate how much chloride is present in your sample. Okay.